Hello there, what's up. Acha nikuwe mkamba leo kidogo. If you like how smooth my underarms looks like, I work with waxing beans. I got these blue beans from Goody Splash. I will leave their Insta page on the description page below in case you are interested. So first of all, I'll use baby powder before waxing. Now, melting the beans is pretty straightforward. Place a bowl on top of boiling water. Please don't use a plastic one because the cleaning will be very hard. Use metal or glass. So mix it up until you have a smooth consistency. The working sticks came here free of charge. Yay! The pain is not much, relax, it's like 2 out of 10. The first round, you'll feel something, but the second round of waxing, you won't feel anything. I still have hair visible, I have to repeat it again and again and again. So here is where the most of the work is. The wax dries up so fast. So you have to keep it very, very warm, meaning reboiling your water. Otherwise, things get too sticky. Plus, you'll be doing zero work if you don't keep the wax warm. Ona sasa. Trying to show you here on the wax that was successful, but my phone camera lens is so poor. Why? One day I'll be able to buy a good camera, amen, to make scenes more visible with ease. Right now, just blurry work. Hey, I almost gave up. Aki inasumbua. I had wax that did not come off with the hair. Again, since the wax was not warm enough, I will not throw them away. I recycle them again. I'm being economical. Plus, it will be used on my body, so I find it hygienic. Why not? work is a lot, but the outcome is clean. Anyway, you can choose to leave me a like or a comment. They play a very big role. I really appreciate. Again, I'm on the path to 500 subscribers. Please help me reach there.